2013 and SEBI regulations. While I do wish we could have all met in person, I'm thankful for the technology that enables us to connect safely and efficiently from different locations. I'm deeply grateful for our collective accomplishments and delighted to have you with us today. On behalf of the Board of Directors, I extend my heartfelt thanks for your continued support and trust. Your commitment has been instrumental in helping us navigate and overcome challenges, emerging stronger each time. Thank you for taking the time out of your busy schedules to join us today. Your presence means a lot to us. Thank you for taking the time to be with us. Given the current circumstances, the company has implemented all feasible measures to ensure that members can actively engage in the AGM through video conferencing and participate in the voting process. I sincerely appreciate the participation of all members, our esteemed board colleagues, the auditors, and the management team in this meeting via video conferencing. The notice convening this meeting and the annual report have already been sent via email to shareholders who have registered their email addresses on September 2, 2025. These documents are also available on the company's website, hence are being taken as read. Before I continue, allow me to introduce the members of your board of directors and key managerial personnel who are participating in this AGM via video conferencing. To start with, Mr. Hemant Bharatram, Managing Director and Chairperson of the Risk Management and Corporate Social Responsibility Committees, joined this AGM from New Delhi. Dr. Vinay Bharatram, Full-Time Director, has joined this AGM from New Delhi. Mr. Jitendra Tuli, Non-Executive Director and Chairperson of Stakeholders and Finance Facilitation Committee, has joined this AGM from New Delhi. Mr. Kulbir Singh, Independent Director and the Chairperson of the Audit Committee, has joined this AGM from New Delhi. Mr. Vivek Chachi, Independent Director and Chairperson of the Nomination and Remuneration Committee, has joined this AGM from Mumbai. Mr. Rakesh Goyal, Non-Executive Director, has joined this AGM from Gurgaon. Mr. Vivek Kaushal,
unmute yourself, ma'am. You are mute.
Unmute.
I think the back end muted me. So anyway, let me go back to Mr. Vivek Kaushal, Chief Executive Officer, has joined this AGM from Hisar. Mr. Sandeep Kumar Jain,
Mute again, unmute.
someone is muting me. Mr. Shekhar Kapoor, Company Secretary and Compliance Officer, has joined this AGM from New Delhi. Thank you all. We also have representatives of statutory auditors, Messrs. Walker and Chandiok, Chartered Accountants, LLP, and a representative of the Secretarial Auditor, Ms. Praganya Pradhan and Associates, Practicing Company Secretaries, who have joined this meeting through VC. I thank all the shareholders and other participants who have joined this meeting through VC. I hope you all are safe and in good health. Since we have the requisite quorum present for the meeting through VC, I call this meeting to order. I wish to mention that participation of members through VC can be reckoned for the purpose of quorum in accordance with the circulars issued by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and Section 103 of the Companies Act 2013. The statutory auditors, Messrs. Walker Chandiok and Company LLP, Chartered Accountants, and the secretarial auditor, Messrs. Praganya Pradhan and Associates, Company Secretaries, have expressed unqualified opinion in their respective audit reports for the financial year 2024-25. There were no qualifications, observations, or adverse comments on our financial statements and matters which have any material bearing on the functioning of the company. The statutory auditor reports on the standalone and consolidated financial statements, respectively, are available on page numbers 128 and 189 of the annual report. The secretarial auditor's report is on page number 56 of the annual report. That having been said, let me now look at the business environment and give you an overview. The year ended March 31st, 2025 was marked by a mix of external challenges and emerging opportunities. Globally, economic uncertainties, inflationary trends, and volatility in commodity prices tested the resilience of industries. Closer home, the textile sector in which we operate had to navigate rising input costs and demand fluctuations. Despite this, DCM Nouvelle Limited stayed focused on driving operational excellence, optimizing resource utilization, and preparing for sustainable long-term growth. It is a matter of pride that in the face of a demanding year, we were able to strengthen our financial position and expand our capabilities. On a standalone basis, the company recorded a total revenue of 1,066.19 crores as against 1,088.93 crore rupees in the previous financial year. While this reflects a marginal dip, the profit before tax improved significantly from 1.19 crore rupees in financial year 23-24 to 30.38 crores in FY 24-25. The net profit for the year stood at 22.67 crore rupees, demonstrating a strong recovery in operational turnaround. On a consolidated basis, the company, along with its subsidiary DCM Nouvelle Specialty Chemicals Limited, achieved a total income of 1,081.74 crore rupees in FY 24-25 as compared to 1,087.59 crore rupees in FY 23-24. Importantly, the group posted a consolidated net profit of 6.02 crore rupees as compared to a net loss of 4.14 crores in the previous year. This improvement has come on the back of better cost control, supply chain efficiency, and disciplined financial planning. The textile segment remained the key driver of revenue and profitability, contributing over 98% of standalone revenues. Throughout the year, we undertook various initiatives to boost productivity and reduce operating costs, which included upgrading plant and machinery, investing in energy-efficient and automation technologies, strengthening quality control systems and process discipline. These actions have directly contributed to the improvement in our profit margins and asset utilization. On the export front, the company continued to serve a diversified global customer base, with international markets contributing significantly to the overall textile revenue. With the external demand environment remaining mixed, our customer-first approach and commitment to quality helped retain long-standing clients and gain new orders. Coming to DCM Nouvelle Specialty Chemicals, this is one of India's pioneering specialty amines businesses, charting new frontiers in the specialty chemicals sector. With a commitment to innovation and excellence, DCM Nouvelle Specialty Chemicals Limited is redefining the future of chemicals. The company delivers valuable and cutting-edge chemistry solutions while upholding the highest standards of safety, quality, and environmental stewardship. A state-of-the-art manufacturing facility for the production of specialty amines was set up in Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh, with a capacity of about 15,000 metric tons per annum, and new product launches are currently underway. The company started commercial production in March 24, and financial year 24-25 was the first year of operation. Our products are utilized in various processes in pharmaceuticals, agrochemicals, and rubber chemical industries worldwide. We were able to capture significant domestic market share of dibenzylamine and benzylamine in the first year of operation, and this is further expected to increase going forward. During the year, the company was fully operational, but due to disturbances in the global market, the company could not capture all the opportunities available internationally. The outlook for exporting aliphatic and aromatic amines manufactured in India looks promising, with significant opportunities in the European and US markets. With continuous innovation and a commitment to quality, the company has become a key supplier of specialty chemicals, driving growth and innovation in the chemical industry. Our employees are obviously at the heart of everything we do. Their resilience, commitment, and teamwork help the company navigate turbulent times and deliver improved performance. We are investing in skill development, leadership training, and employee engagement. Our goal is to build a culture of ownership, accountability, and innovation across the organization. We are also striving to create a more inclusive workplace that values diversity and equal opportunity. DCM Nouvelle continues to uphold the highest standards of corporate governance. All our business decisions are driven by integrity, transparency, and accountability. The board and its committees have functioned diligently, ensuring that all compliance and strategic matters are effectively addressed. I thank each of my fellow directors for their counsel and commitment. Before I conclude, I wish to place on record my sincere thanks to all our stakeholders, including our shareholders, customers, suppliers, lenders, employees, government authorities, and regulatory bodies for their unwavering support. To our shareholders, your confidence and encouragement inspire us to pursue excellence and act with purpose. Together, we have come a long way, and together we will shape a future marked by growth, trust, and resilience. I would also like to thank the entire DCM Nouvelle team for their relentless commitment and performance through a challenging year. Let me also thank our company secretary and administrative teams for coordinating today's meeting virtually and for ensuring compliance with all statutory guidelines. Thank you all once again for joining us today and for your continued faith in DCM Nouvelle Limited. Stay safe, stay healthy. Jai Hind.
I would like to begin by extending my gratitude to all our shareholders, employees, partners, and customers for their continued support and confidence in us. The past year has been a period of both challenges and opportunities. The global textile industry faced headwinds ranging from raw material price volatility to shifting trade dynamics. Yet, DCM Nouvelle has shown resilience and adaptability, reinforcing its position as a reliable global supplier of high-quality cotton yarn. We approach the year with a focus on efficiency, sustainability, and customer engagement, which enabled us to protect margins despite softer demand in certain geographies. Our ability to respond quickly to market movements has been one of our key strengths. At the operational level, we continue to invest in modernization of our spinning facilities, process automation, and digital tools to strengthen competitiveness. Our emphasis is on producing value-added, differentiated yarns that meet the evolving requirement of global customers. We are also advancing our sustainability agendas from optimizing energy consumption and water usage to enhancing waste management practices. These initiatives not only reduce our environmental footprints but also create long-term operational efficiency. As CEO, my focus is to steer the company toward sustainable growth by strengthening our global market presence through deeper customer relationship, expanding our product portfolio to include innovative and premium yarns, leveraging opportunities in the chemical sector to build a balanced, future-ready business, embedding ESG practices into every aspect of our operations to ensure long-term sustainability. India's emergence as a textile powerhouse presents us with significant opportunities. With the government's push on export and sustainable manufacturing, DCM Nouvelle is well placed to capture value in both domestic and global markets. In conclusion, our stable operating performance and focus on the chemical sector have strengthened our capabilities and commitment to CSR. We are continually improving to better support our clients as they adapt to the future. Thank you to all our shareholders for your support and to our board members and stakeholders for your guidance. DCM Nouvelle will continue to grow strong and contribute meaningfully to India's progress on the global textile map. Thanks again. With this, I hand over to the chairperson, Dr. Meenakshi Nayyar. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Vivek. Now I will hand over to Mr. Shekhar Kapoor, Company Secretary and Compliance Officer.
Kindly unmute yourself.
Yeah, now I request Mr. Sandeep Kumar Jain, Chief Financial Officer of the company, to answer the questions on behalf of the company. Sandeep.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Good morning to all the members. I will now try to answer a few questions. Overall, they were really good questions about the company's strategy and its future plan. Now I will go through the questions in the same order they were asked for and will give the answer. As regards to the not declaring dividend, the company has opted not to declare dividends since its demerger, despite adopting a dividend distribution policy, because the board remains committed to prudent financial management and long-term growth, given the company's financial performance and capital requirements. The board remains committed to safeguard shareholders' interest as well as the company's growth prospects. For this, the company has prioritized reinvestment of the retained profit for prudent reserve management to strengthen the business and build resilience. As your board, we continue to monitor our position closely and will revisit the possibility of dividend payouts as and when the condition improve, always balancing shareholders' reward through long-term value creation. With regards to the debt-equity ratio and future growth plan, the debt-equity ratio of the company has improved due to repayment of committed long-term debt liability. The company is employing a balanced approach between debt and equity and is diligently working to curtail its debt at the earliest opportunity. Looking at the global volatility and investment in the chemical subsidiary, we will continue to evaluate the future expansion at the right time. The solid balance sheet enables us to invest in projects that support both short-term performance and long-term shareholders' value creation. As regards to the reason for profit growth, the robust profit growth in financial year 2024-25 was primarily driven by greater operational efficiency, disciplined cost control. This turnaround reflects the positive outcome of our cost optimization efforts, operational efficiencies, and disciplined focus on working capital and resource allocation. While some efficiency gains are sustainable, shareholders should note that management remains focused on cost rationalization and operational excellence to grow profitability. Yet, the extent of future profit growth will depend on our ability to recover sales and maintain cost efficiency amidst market conditions. In regards to the expectation from chemical project, the chemical project through our subsidiary DCM Nouvelle Specialty Chemicals Limited has made excellent progress with phase 1 commissioning and production commencement for key specialty amines. We anticipate that this will contribute significantly to the company's revenue and profitability in the near future, reflecting our commitment as a significant investor to foster sustainable value creation. This facility produces specialty amines like benzyl amine and dibenzyl amine with annual capacity of 1,500 metric tons. For the upcoming year, the company expects scaling up production of existing products as well as adding new products. The project is a key strategic growth area with expectation to contribute significantly to revenue diversification and margin enhancement. DCM Nouvelle is committed for advancing this business as a substantial investor to create sustainable long-term value. As regards to the artificial intelligence, DCM Nouvelle has embraced artificial intelligence technology as a cornerstone for driving operational excellence and competitive advantage. We are working for integrated AI solutions across manufacturing supply chain, quality control, and financial management to enhance efficiency, reduce cost, and make smarter, faster decisions. We plan to expand our AI capabilities further by incorporating advanced automation to empower our workforce and innovative continuously. This commitment to AI underlines our focus on a sustainable growth, superior stakeholder value, and future-ready business operations. As regards to the earning calls, right now, earning calls are not part of our communication strategy. However, we see the value in being more transparent and engaging with shareholders. We are looking into different ways to improve our communication, including possibly adding earning calls in the future to provide better insight of our future performance and strategic plan. As regards to the challenges and opportunities, in the coming years, we anticipate both challenges and opportunities both in domestic and international market. We may encounter issues such as commodity price fluctuations, changes in cotton prices, global market disturbances, ongoing war, and pressure in supply chain, all of which could impact our business. Additionally, variation in cotton crop yields due to erratic weather and monsoon cycle may affect our supply. To address these challenges, we have diversified into chemical sector to provide a more stable revenue stream. While challenges are inevitable, our strategic initiatives should enable us to capitalize on new opportunities and strengthen our business. As regards to the steps for reducing costs, manage debt, and improve brand premiums for enhanced profitability, the company has installed 16.855 megawatt solar power plant, which is catering around 22% energy requirement of the company, thus reducing our power cost. Besides, there is a drive in the company for small improvements at all levels to reduce any wastage. The newly launched brands of Unit 3 and Unit 4 are getting very good response from the market, enhancing brand premium and improving profitability. Thank you everyone and our dear shareholder for your kind words, comments, and some of your suggestions, as well as your views, which we take very seriously in the best interest of the company. Thank you everyone, and if I miss any point, let me know, but otherwise I think I have covered all the points asked for. Thank you once again for giving me the opportunity to answer the questions. With that, I hand over to Mr. Shekhar Kapoor, Company Secretary and Compliance Officer. Over to you, Shekhar.
Thank you, sir. I think all the questions have been answered.